Phoebe? Is he over there? Where'd he go? Where's the whale? Alice, where's the whale? Uh-oh, here he comes. Do you blow him a kiss? Here's the whale. Phoebe, can you say hi? Hi, whale. Hi, whale. There he comes. Oh, say hi. Look, Phoebe. So pretty. Ooh. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Alice, can you say bye-bye, whale? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.